Okay, primary 4. I will come you to lesson 10. And in lesson 10, we are going to look at more about area of squares and rectangles. I've combined the two, rectangle and squares. And here is our example 1. Says, find the area of the square below. This is the square. And in the previous lesson, we have been seeing the squares which are having small squares in it, inside it. But here, we have not indicated those small squares inside this big square. And in the previous lesson, we are counting the number of squares in this big square. So, this time here they have not indicated the squares. And here, this implies that here there are 8 small squares, even here 8 small squares. You can do it in your book practically to see whether what you are going to get is correct. Therefore, this is a square. And a square, it has these symbols to show that all sides are equal. And there is shown us one side here, 8. Meaning, even this side is 8, even here is 8, even here is 8 centimeters. And we have these symbols here. This is a symbol for right angles. When you are drawing a square, all these corners here must be right angles. So, now the formula of finding the area of a square. Area is equal to area of a square is equal to side times side. But we are going to be writing it in short form. Area to be represented by letter A. Side to be represented by letter S. So side times side. That's how we are going to be writing it. Area is equal to S times S. S representing side. A representing area. Then after that, you remove side. This S is representing side. And here, the side of a square, it is 8 centimeters. So you come here and you remove S, you replace it with 80 centimeter times also 80 centimeter. Now, 8 times 8. 8 times 8. You get 64. And also we have centimeter times centimeter. You come up with centimeter squared. And in the previous lesson, we have been having square units. It is now square, centimeter squared. Example 2. Find the area of the rectangle below. This is a rectangle. This one shows that this side is equal to this side, and this one is equal to this side. A rectangle has 2 opposite sides equal. This side here is opposite this side, and this side is opposite this side. And therefore, this one is equal to this, and this side is equal to this side. Now, to find its area is equal to length times width. Area is equal to length times width. So, as we have done the square, this is the same thing we are going to do here. We are not going to be writing the word area, length, but we are going to write it in short form. Area to be represented by letter A. Length also to be represented by letter L. So length to be represented by L, and width to be represented by letter W. So now area is equal to, after this, now you come and substitute. Where there is length, you remove the letter length and you replace it with the figure. And the length here is 9 centimeters times the width. The width here is 5 centimeters. Area is equal to 9 times 5. Here you can do it practically using our fingers. 9 times 5. We have 10 fingers. You count. We shall count 5 fingers here. Can do like this. Then we count 5 fingers. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You bend the fifth one. Then you count the number of fingers this side. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. You write there 4. Now you come this side. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here 5. Then centimeter squared. So 9 times 5, you get 45 centimeters. This one of multiplying using fingers, it can only work on the multiplication table of 9. If you are multiplying with 9, it is applicable on our fingers. But the rest, it has a different method, as we shall see in the next lessons. Thank you for attending the lesson. Please do the work and endeavor to send it back for marking.